Hey there, I'm Christina Sanders, author of My Little Travel Black Book. I show people how to travel the world affordably without limits. For Travel Tip Thursday, I wanted to share with you a few ideas on how you can save on travel, on your vacations, or trips that you might have in mind. The first tip is to plan it out. Now, while this doesn't sound like a travel savings tip, trust me, with proper planning, it will allow you enough time to find those travel deals that you can apply to your trip. The next tip is to know where you want to go. Have at least 2 or 3 locations that you desire and compare the cost, as well as activities and so on and so forth, so that you can make a sound decision. The next and most important tip is to set a budget. Know how much you can afford, as well as how much you are willing to spend. And in addition to that, set up a separate travel savings account that you can transfer money over to on a weekly or monthly basis, or whenever you choose, and it will be dedicated for just that purpose. The next tip is to research. There's so much information out there. There are so many tools and resources, and one site that I would suggest is going to like bookingbuddy.com or any search aggregator that actually goes out to various travel websites and returns the lowest deals available. Often these websites have where you can sign up for their email list or to receive notifications or alerts as to when the price drops, especially on flights. If you want to find out more tips on how to save on your travel, check out my book, My Little Travel Black Book. The information is in the post. Have a good night.